So here we have question number 3. 18 men and 15 women can complete a piece of work in 15 days. 18 men and 6 children can complete the same amount of work in 18 days. 15 women and 12 children can complete the same work in 30 days. Find the time taken by 8 men and 9 women to complete the same work. So I am just assuming, let us say a man makes a unit in a day, a woman makes a number of units in a day, a child makes b number of units in a day. Can we take any number as 1? Yes, one of the numbers can always be assumed as a number if in the question the work is not mentioned in absolute terms. So the work is not mentioned in absolute terms, so one of the numbers can be taken as a, but you cannot assume women's efficiency or children's efficiency as 1 again or 2, 3 or something. They have to be taken as a variable. It says 18 men, so they will make 18 units, and 15 women, they will make 15 A units. So they will make a total of 18 plus 15 A units in a day. He says they can complete a piece of work in 15 days, right? So can I say if they work for 15 days, this is equal to the total work? I hope you get my point. 18 plus 15A into 15 is the total work. Also, 18 men who will again make 18 units and 16 children, so they will make 16 B units. They can complete the work in 18 days. So this into 18 is also the total work, right? This is also the total work. And lastly, 15 women who will make 15 A units and 12 children who will make 12 B units. They will complete the work in 30 days. So this into 30 is also equal to the total work. So all three of them are actually equal because they all are representing the total work. So we can just equate them to get the answer. I mean, that also can be done. So according to this, I can say the total work is equal to 18 into 15, which is 270, plus 15 into 15, which is 225A. From this, I can say 18 into 18, which is 324, plus 18 into 16, which is equal to, I think, 288 into B. This is also the total work. And in the third scenario, 30 into 15, which is 450A, plus 12 into 30 is 360B. This is also equal to the total work. So they all are actually equal to the total work now. So they all are equal. You can put them equal and find the value of A in terms of B or B in terms of A. I mean, that can always be done. I mean, you can just put them here. So let me just try that once. 270 plus 225A is equal to 324 plus 288B. So if I take this on that side, 324 minus 270, it is giving me 54 plus 288B. Rather, let me take the 288B on the other side, that will be better. So this, I'm sorry, this is actually equal to what? This 54 is equal to 225A minus 288B. It is 225A minus 288B, which is equal to 54. And the numbers are a little large, that is making it a bit difficult for us, but actually it is not that difficult. Similarly, I can equate these two as well, or these two, I mean, whichever you feel like. So if I equate these two, this gives me 450A plus 360B is equal to 270 plus 225A. So 450A minus 225A is 225A plus 360B is equal to 270. So let me just write here 225A plus 360B is equal to 270. Let us just subtract the first equation from the second one. So if I subtract the first equation or second equation from the first one, whichever you feel like, so this would become, they would cancel out. I would have minus 648B is equal to 54 minus 270. What is 54 minus 270? It is minus 216. Minus and minus would cancel out and B is equal to 216 by 648. Let's just cancel out it. So if I cancel it out, so it becomes 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 and 3 16s are 48. Then again 24 3s are 72, 24 9s are 216. So it is equal to 1 by 3. So finally I get the value of B as 1 by 3 from here. Let's just put that value of B anywhere, right? Let me put that value of B in this equation. This will give me the value of A as well. Let's try that now. यहाँ put करते हैं. So this would be 225 into A is equal to 54 plus 288B. अब B तो is 1 by 3, so 288 into 1 by 3 is equal to 96. So that makes it 100 40, right? 150. So what is the value of A from here? It is 150 divided by 225. If I cancel them out, 25 6 are 150 and 25 9s are 225. 6 by 9 is actually equal to 2 by 3. So I also got A as 2 by 3. Of course, the calculations are large. These are large numbers, but you can't do anything about it, right? We got A as 2 by 3. We got B as 1 by 3. Now putting these values of A and B, I can probably get the total work from here. So what is the total work? It is 270 plus 225A, and A is 2 by 3. So it is 225 into 2 by 3, that is 270 plus 3 sevens are and 5s are, that is 150. So I can say that the total work is 120 units. What is the question asking you? Time required by 8 men and 9 women to complete the work. Now 8 men will make 8 into 1 8 units. 9 women will make 9 into A, and A is 2 by 3. So 9 into 2 by 3, that is equal to 6 units. So ultimately they are making 14 units in a day. In how many days they will complete the work? 420. That is 420 by 14. It is 30 days. So 30 days is the right answer. I would put this question in the category of a difficult question, not because of the concept, but because of these long calculations. Somehow I tried, but I could not find out any easy way of calculating them. Or there are some ways, but probably telling those ways would automatically becomes difficult, where I take the HCF of these numbers and divide them, because I see most of the numbers were divisible by 3. So I thought of doing that, but I thought that ultimately it will become unnecessarily quite difficult for you to understand the concept if we try to make the calculations easy. But yes, this kind of question probably not doable during the exam time. The answer to this question was 30 days.